Anyway, Professor, don't move your face. And today's episode, more and talk about the girl them with the good, the ever blessed something, the well shaved, the well fat, the well pretty. Me a talk about the easy fi get wet when time them get touching at the right spot. Me a talk about the 9 stroke and man have to pull up. Me a talk about when man in night and still so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when he reach a 9, him have to slow down because the 10th stroke. He will come. Big up the girl them, you know, and I come man, I come quick. And good is something good. Me a talk about the type of thing where you have to prepare yourself for. Jah no star. Me a talk about the type of thing where you can't get too excited. More big up them girl them. Because them girl them make man cripple up. Me a talk about your night and stay afraid to take another joke. Because you know it the right at the edge. Me a talk about your kneecap them. Oh gosh, big up them gyal them. Big up them gyal them. Me a talk about when time you slip it in and you still say you're afraid to take another joke because it done good already. Oh Jesus Christ, big up them gyal. Them gyal them with the good. The 9.5 joke and you still so stuck and can't move. I shall say, yo, dig it out now, slap it out now, and you're afraid you have to come out and go like say you use it and beat pan her body jaw or wherever you want to beat it if you make it go and come back. But as soon as you take another joke, oh God, the comeback can come. You did it, and you know what about. Big up the girl there with the 9.5 joke. Because guess what? Who do something great? Who do something good? But it have to be pretty and well fat too. Whoa! Oh God.